Welcome to What's Cooking. Today we're making chicken afterburners. You need chicken steaks, chicken coating and 3 eggs. Whisk the eggs well. Now put some chicken coating onto a plate and spread evenly on the plate. Add a chicken steak piece into the egg and coat well. Then place the chicken piece onto the chicken coating and coat the chicken piece, ensuring the steak pieces are coated evenly. Continue the process until all the chicken steak pieces are coated. By dipping it into the egg first, this will ensure that the chicken coating sticks to the chicken properly. While you're coating the chicken, ensure the gas is on for the oil to heat up. Start frying. Fry for at least 15 minutes, turning occasionally. When the chicken pieces are golden brown, you could take them out of the oil. What I do is place them in the oven for about 15 minutes on gas mark 180. This helps the oil to come out, the excess oil. Now we'll warm a tawa up, or a frying pan, to toast the buns. Toast the buns on both sides. Now it's time to assemble the Afterburner burger. First, add some mayonnaise to the bottom layer of the bun. Add lettuce and onions. If you prefer to add cucumber and tomatoes, you can, but this is optional. Now dip her chicken steak piece into the chili sauce. place it on the bun and then add a slice of cheese. If you'd like to add some more salad onions at this point, you can, and if you want to put some chili sauce or more mayonnaise on the top layer of the bun, then you can do that as well. This is your choice. I will put the link of the recipe for the chili sauce in the description. Your afterburners are ready. You could serve with curly fries or chips or whatever side you would like.